appear to be an unremarkable process. But if you consider it in a little more depth, you will realize that the clotting process is far more extraordinary than you had imagined. Once bleeding has started, clotting needs to happen straight away in order to prevent the living tissue dying from loss of blood. In addition to this, the clot needs to extend along the entire length of the wound, and, most importantly of all, not to exceed the bounds of the cut. Otherwise, all the creature's blood will coagulate and kill it. Therefore, blood clotting must be kept under strict control, and the clot must form in exactly the right place and at exactly the right time. What would happen if there were the slightest impairment in this perfectly functioning system? If blood clotting happened even in the absence of any wound, or if the clot forming around the wound were easily detached from it, there is only one answer to these questions. In that event, the blood vessels leading to such vital organs as the heart, lung, or brain would become blocked, and death would be the inevitable result. However, apart from serious cases of ill health, these events are occurrences that are quite rare, and almost everyone is able to enjoy a healthy life. We must therefore conclude from this that the human body has been flawlessly created. This system, every detail of which is the product of a separate plan and calculation, reveals the perfection of creation. God, who created us and brought us into this world, has created our bodies with a perfect system that protects us from wounds, both great and small. Let us now continue with another example requiring thought and comparison. Just about everybody knows that flies beat their wings faster than the eye can see. Some small species of fly are able to beat their wings 1,000 times a second. Where does the fly obtain the energy necessary for such awe-inspiring motion? And how does it cope with the heat that such motion gives rise to? In order to comprehend the extraordinary nature of this, please open your arms out wide and try raising and lowering them a few times in 1 second. You will see that you will be unable to perform this action after a short length of time. Now try and imagine the pain you would feel if you raised and lowered your arms 1,000 times.